Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Pack and Go wizard gathers all of the images, fonts, colors, and anything else included in your publication and compresses and packages it together for you to take to a commercial printer or to move the publication file to another computer. To use the Pack and Go wizard, you must first save your publication. After saving your publication, click the File tab in the ribbon to open the Backstage view. Click the Export command at the left side of the Backstage view after that. To the right of that, under the Pack and Go section, select the Save for a Commercial Printer command. In the far right panel, you can then set your desired options before starting the Pack and Go wizard. If you are taking your publisher files to a commercial printer, select the Commercial Press option from the first drop-down. Then select the both PDF and publisher.pub files from the second drop-down. If you know that your commercial printer can use settings of a lower quality or that they only need a PDF or the publisher.pub file, then feel free to change these settings as needed. Once you have your desired settings, click the Pack and Go wizard button below the drop-downs to begin packaging your files for printing. In the first screen, select the desired location of the output of the wizard by selecting the desired option button. You can click the Browse button to save to a specified folder on a flash drive or other removable media. Once you have selected your location, click the Next button to continue and finish. Note that on the final screen that appears, if you wish to print a composite proof, then ensure that the checkbox is checked and then click the OK button to finish. You can also use the Pack and Go feature to move your publication from one computer to another. This also includes all associated fonts and images. To do this, click the Save for Another Computer choice under the Pack and Go section of the Backstage view, and then click the Pack and Go wizard button to the right to start the wizard that will gather the required files and package them into a file that you can then take to another computer and unpack in order to move a publication. Click the Save for Photo Printing option under the Pack and Go section to save each page of your publication as a print quality JPEG or TIFF file that you can take to a commercial photo printer. After selecting that option, choose which photo format to use from the drop-down in the far right pane, and then click the Save Image Set button to save the publication pages as photos.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.